Previously on Exposé.
Yes, I thought that was you. Pastor Spoon.
Hi.
Hello, Pastor. Kosene ntate hata kosene tswaha. Hona wa tswa ka motho wa ka. Romeo out.
Chill.
Out.
What's the caption? Unexpected pick. Couldn't have made a better choice.
Oh my god. I know, right? Babe, it's getting late. I think I have everything on the grocery list. Let me get going before I'm late. Give me a hug. Come here. Oh god, I miss you already.
I love you. Take care of yourself. Shh.
What age is
So
this? far, oh, by the way, babe, I've been meaning to ask. It's about my mama. How? When was the last time you saw her? Bible study. I've been so careless. Now that you mention it, I remember that it's been long since I saw her at the meetings. But don't worry, on my way to the coffee shops, I'll give her a call. You're the best. I love you.
God of creation, autumn, summer rays, shining from this lovely air. In its time, you've made everything beautiful, so am I. Grace upon grace, grace upon grace, I am favored. In its time, you've made everything beautiful, so am I. Grace upon grace, grace
a good girl with a good heart deserves something very great. It has been my wish to find the right person. I can be comfortable because I behave sharp, you know. And it has been my deepest wish.
So, what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is I love you. I know, right? He was my friend, not me. His feelings was his. Now I speak from the bottom of my heart. What I'm saying is, I wish I could have words so we can understand me feel along the way.
This is so difficult for me. I have my marriage going well, my ministry going well, but I have this temptation now to have an affair. I don't know. I know this is not the right thing to do, but this kid has stolen my heart. Daddy, you know my heart. And you know how much I love you. I don't know how I can make it through, but you know the way.
I'll try as much as I can to come to Jawad. Calls on the I need a doctor. Get that coach for one in Jawad and let's give it a try. at least know how I feel about you. Like, and I feel like today is the best day to come, like, go to this, how I feel about you. Check out here. Even in the book of the books, the first book, Eden was bought. So God and Sakipia and Meta. So sad. And I, as a believer, I believe you my Eve.
No, man. I think, Tokamoto, not me. You know, you don't deserve me. Like, I'm good for you. Such a nice guy. And I trust him.
Well, maybe you could help me while I do the dishes, please.
Okay. This was the longest day ever. Kukule lecture na 2 hours.
It was boring.
So Rikoja, I had a long day. Someone said,
Maybe Vova so do.
Come. Osa phela boko se le jwalo ka tse tse thai Romeo.
Vova so papa mo.
But don't go boko se mo ke thai jwang.
I'm gonna fry it simply. I piloting. So no, come on.
This guy.
Come on. We're gonna do it together. That's the miracles of my dish. So,
Honey chicken. You don't have to think about it. Get on home.
no, I don't. The last time I was here was a million years ago.
So only Hachirele who walked in on us next.
Let's not talk about it, baby. Because I love you. See you next day.
I love you too, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. So you guys are going to like this whole
Hey yo, Romeo!
Oh my nigga!
Nah, man, you wet though.
Yeah.
Nah, it's cool.
Hello, Obana, Romeo, Stella.
So nigga, you said I'm wet.
So, guys, today I actually had approximately 7 to 8 cups of coffee. I am hyperactive. Go ahead. Guys, I didn't talk about. I'm so hyperactive.
Do you like coffee?
I love coffee.
Dude, that is my hot beverage.
Wow, that's
I
interesting.
really love coffee.
That's
And the coffee I
ngoanana.
got in black, like my man. You know?
Funny, I like black coffee, but I love my coffee creamy, like my women. Yeah. So humpy fella. And by the way, I was watching or reading this book, and I'm this type of guy who likes imagining things. And I imagine a future.
Hey, no way.
I'm sorry, dog. Seriously, I will get
chill.
This thing. Okay, I'm not worried. Okay. Where were we?
You imagine me in the book.
Oh no, I am this type of guy. Ebe di character tsa ka buka. Ebe ke tla be ke imagine abo Romeo, and then any person who's close, you understand. So ebe ke tla be ke imagine in this character. Ke sa ke character ya Romeo na. And you were the Juliet. So, but hey, it's...
So was Romeo the actual Romeo, or the Romeo was you and the Romeo, that
Hey,
type
how
of
much
thing?
buka? O rata ho ikenya ka hara character
Oh.
tse hlakileng.
So you were the Romeo
that says
somehow. So what's the name of the book on Petka? But you just read through the pages.
no, it's called Romeo and Juliet, and there's this
Wait.
where this friend of Romeo kind of had a crush on the girlfriend, but it's cool.
It's about movie.
Yeah, there's a book. They actually
Maybe you should get me a book.
I will have to find it. It's a present from me.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's
I call enough.
Guess simple.
You like your coffee black, like your man.
How much?
You like you like your. What are you doing?
Okay.
Are
Are you here to talk to me or my girlfriend?
I'm particular entertained.
Now you're flirting with my girlfriend.
Hey, hal. Una lady ask you. Just una lady ask you.
What?
Una lady ask you.
Of course, yeah.
Hey, no ama paro. Hayi utlella go tena na.
Yeah,
A ke itse o tlatse di jana mfetho tla go go jana. Lazi ke a tlo bona le go pheya.
Mara ha ke tabe ka rate coffee. Why uli
You leave my house, right?
Ke a utlwisisa mfana. Wa tsana ke
Leave my house.
ha mo etsetse kofi la kopa o etsetsa
Are you gonna leave my house or what?
Kopa o etsetsa kofi. E go tlo tla o lwanela dinyane ya ka lo kofi. Kopa o etsetsa kofi man. Can I make coffee?
Matata ha ba.
Cause why are you being a
I
child?
need to talk to my woman. Now out. I said out, damn it!
Sharp. Voilà, oh, voilà, on a marre. Come on now.
What the hell is your problem?
What the hell is your problem?
I'm having a conversation with your friend.
Conversation.
Romeo. Unana bothata?
Or you bring up the topic that you might hate the most. Coffee.
Apparently he likes it.
And apparently I don't.
Elore conversation ya kale, anybody that you know has to go now.
That is my friend. That is my friend.
Excuse me.
Yes.
You called your friend over here.
And
Don't you dare
liked
bring that
my
up to
friend.
me.
You flirted with my girlfriend. With my friend.
I wasn't flirting with him.
Well, what? Brilliant.
Wabona again. Once o qetile ka di insecurities tsa hao, o batla ho bua le nna like a grown as man that you are. On text. Ka phone man. I'm not having this. Lele class e me stop ke re ke tla boyfriend thing. Ke kota ke tlosa size 10 ena home. Re kota ke unwind o go ntla ka di insecurities tsa hao. And one more thing, before kana na go flat le bagotsi ba gago o ikgopola gona wena o se tšhatšha se jwang.
This one. Come on in.
Pastor Spoon.
Hi.
Hello, Pastor.
How are you? You can take a seat.
Oh, we can sit right here together. So, I was expecting your call. And,
Yes. Actually, I'm actually surprised you showed up unannounced. If you don't mind me. Thank you. Yeah.
As I was saying, I was expecting your call, Pastor.
As I was saying, I was just about to call.
Trust me. It's actually very hot in here, Pastor. Can't you feel that it's so hot in here? So, as I was saying, Pastor, I have a very, very big problem with my family.
Yeah, I can't concentrate. Well, I'm sorry. If you don't mind.
So, as I was saying, Pastor, I have a very, very big problem with my family.
Yeah, I can't concentrate. Well, I'm sorry. If you don't mind.
So, as I was saying, Pastor, I have a very, very big problem with my family.
If you don't mind. can you keep it on, please? Just
Okay, Pastor. Okay, it's
thank
fine.
you.
It's fine.
So, you were saying?
I was saying, Pastor, that my family are not doing nice things to me. They're forcing me to do things that I don't want to do. They want to marry me off to this old, rich, supposedly rich guy that I don't want. And I don't know how to handle it. I've just been doing whatever that helps me cope.
Like, if you don't mind me asking?
Well, I've been engaging in multiple of relationships just to... Yes, Pastor. So, I don't know. I was hoping that you would pray for me.
Did it help? Because I presume that you're coming here means whatever solution you tried didn't work out, right?
It didn't, Pastor. I really
Very good.
need your help.
Yeah, I get it, and I must say, you made a right call. I understand what you're going through, and it is indeed a bit of a challenge.
Mm-hmm.
But I want to encourage you that you're not the only, or you are not the first person going through this, okay?
Okay, Pastor.
Yeah, so I would like for us to read in Romans chapter 15, verse 4. It says, "For whatsoever things were written aforetime were written for our learning, that we, through patience and comfort of the scriptures, might have hope." So, you're going to find comfort in this very book.
Yes, Pastor.
You're going to find consolation, exhortation, whatever you call it,
Yes,
from
Pastor.
this very book. So, as I was saying, whatever things that were written in this book, because whatever happens now, well, has happened before, because in the book of Ecclesiastes,
Flakes, you got the sauce, boy.
Mbalakati etha unsave ngokhumba khumpe ha ukata kwelo ngwana prindu sira ili ai come on she smile and you bone kumtshela ya fish no ka wa tala from deep within my heart wa bona nke monna something like a ke mo share wala man ke bona so meetag wa tla ke tsa mfana ke mo tshela ke bua taba ya genesis mfana faraga and ke la bona mo thatha da o zo mo fetela mangolo tjaka wa yaba yaba fetho ya hona ga bila re I'm such a good guy ne but mfetho ke buile mmale ma azana e fosa ga mtsala ka mfana ithatha haholo how choose di phame tsa telele tsene ke swala ba friend ane dila motshela ga tswana mehleng o dila utla mantsa monate mehleng ke go mono o itsa lo mfane wa phaphanyana fana ba tsa go ba bua mantsingana monate so tla ka wona ntha e tlaetse mo tsa ntho straight ntsa ke phetho ke tu okay go mara ona ngwana ka ba dumelang tsong la bibele tsene o yo mo phetela mangola a bibele o tlo go fela go mo ruti monna lo ngale maga tanga le mo ruti okay so next time ki how do I no fokotsa mantsa mangata fela ntsa mfanele moruti so fetla mongolo ha bana ha go mfera kana buntsuri nka ke le shile butle a go mfera fela ntja
Hey!